Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm just here talking about some drift tyres that I've made for these little WL toy. What's this, a 969? And this is my sin hobby Q7. These suckers come full carbon fibre, very much the same. They're all pretty much based on the Mini Z platform. As you see, I've made my own drift tyres. I printed up the wheels, and something different, I printed up a van body. The tyres themselves, they're made from TPU. This is a 95 shore hardness. You see it's still got a little bit of give, unlike the plastic drift tyres that you buy. And this is the rubber grippy tyres that you get. Very squishy. Now these are awesome for indoors on the floors. Make sure it's the right way. Yep. Hey, they're not too hard, not too soft, and absolutely awesome for drifting around with. If you get yourself a 3D printer, cheap as chips too. So it just drops back in. I've had that set up like the Mini Z. Just taken for a spin and see how the drift tyres perform. Okay, so we'll start off with the WL toys. Oh, I just put a new receiver in this. Give me a sec, guys. Reverse. Isn't it going into it? Alright, we're back. Now, I don't profess to be skilled at this, I don't practice enough. This is just a quick demo just to show how these tyres perform. Have a lot more control with these compared to the hard plastic tyres that you buy from Banggood or off eBay. Just slide all over the place with the other ones on the wood floors. Alright, I'll move on to the Q7. What's going on here? Helps if I have it on the right channel. Alright. I love this van body. This is just for a bit of fun, mainly on rainy days, especially now it's winter, cold, miserable days. Awesome just to pass a bit of time drifting around in the but I probably should get some cones out and start actually getting some proper practice in. As you see, I've got a lot more control with the Q7 than I do with the WL toys, but at the end of the day, they're both good fun. You can print up these sorts of bodies for the WL toys as well, but at the end of the day, yeah, I love those tyres. And for what they cost me, it was probably about $1. Maybe not even that, maybe 50 cents to actually print them up. Cheap 3D printers worth every cent. Well, I'm going to leave it there, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I shall see you next time. Please like, share and subscribe. See yous.